Enjoy this classic mid-century modern single-level home with 3 bedrooms and 2 bathrooms and a 2-car garage. Step back in time with the details of a 1950s home and at the same time enjoy the updated features like the new dual-pane windows, vinyl flooring, new glass-top stove, new garage door and a roof that was replaced in 2016. There is fresh new paint on all the interior and exterior surfaces of the home. The kitchen has beautiful hand-selected wood doors that show off the grain. There are an abundance of cabinets in this well-designed kitchen. The master bedroom has a walk-in closet and its own bathroom. The backyard is flat and fenced and would make a great area for entertaining and a garden. This excellent location is just a few minutes to downtown Sonora, Columbia and Jamestown.